Hello, what's up? Welcome to the VidPro's November Roundup, your quick hit breakdown of what we've been cooking up all month. Spoiler alert, we went deep into AI, YouTube hacks, and some absolute game changers for creators. Let's go! This month, we absolutely crushed it on the content front. We're talking razor-sharp timing, smooth transitions that don't feel forced, and edits that actually help creators connect with their audience. No fluff, no filler, just the good stuff. And our blog, packed. We covered everything from how editing actually influences buying decisions because yes, good cuts equal more conversions, to breakdowns of the best TikTok videos ad examples of 2025. We even dropped a definite guide on short-form transitions that actually go viral. Spoiler, it's not just jump cuts and whooshes. We got specific, but here's where things got spicy. Our YouTube channel was on one this month. We tackled the big questions creators are actually asking. How to undo don't recommend channel on YouTube 2025. Because let's be real, if someone accidentally nuked your channel recommendations, this video is a lifesaver. We walked through the exact steps. You're welcome. How to find YouTube's by location 2025 guide. Turns out there's a whole strategy behind geographic targeting that most creators sleep on. We didn't. Now you don't have to either. Then we went full tech mode with AI video cost breakdown 2025. We actually tested it, ran the numbers, and showed you exactly what AI video tools cost versus what they're worth. No BS, just data. We also did a full deep dive review of Grok by XAI, because if you're not paying attention to what XAI is doing, you're sleeping. This tool is legitimately different, and we broke down exactly why and how creators can use it. And then chef's kiss. We hit people with the #1 thing you're getting wrong about AI animation. Spoiler, most creators are using it all wrong, wasting time and looking amateur. We fixed the problem. Here's the thing though, November showed us that the creator landscape is shifting fast. AI is moving at light speed. YouTube keeps changing the game, and if you're not staying sharp, you get left behind. But that's exactly why we do this. We stay on top of it so you don't have to. This month's clients, absolutely phenomenal. We worked with creators who needed to level up their editing game, and they came to the right place. Whether it was signing up their YouTube workflow, creating polished promo reels, or editing long-form content that actually kept people watching, we treated every single project like it was going to hit, and honestly, a lot of them did. We don't just edit, we help creators shine because your content deserves to stand out. Look, here's the reality, good editing is no longer optional. It's the difference between blending in and standing out. It's the difference between someone scrolling past your video and actually stopping to watch it. Platform updates, AI tools, algorithm changes, that stuff's always moving. But one thing stays constant, quality matters, smart strategy matters, clean edits matter. So if you're sitting there thinking your content could use some VidPro's magic, let's make it happen. Maybe you're spending too much time editing, maybe your uploads are inconsistent, maybe you're watching other creators blow up and wondering what they're doing differently. Newsflash, it's probably the editing. Here's what you do, head to vidpros.com, schedule a free consultation, no strings attached, just a real conversation about what your content could be and how we can make it happen. Check out our editing services, see what's possible, and see what we can do for you. If you're vibing with this November breakdown, hit subscribe. We're dropping even more fire next month. Like the video, follow us on socials, and keep this notification on because we're coming with game-changing content. Thanks for being a part of the VidPros family, and let's make your content legendary. I'll catch you next time. See ya.